Question 7. A student investigated the behavior of light. A student used a mirror with a smooth surface to investigate reflection. Figure 17 shows the equipment used. Question 7.1. What name is given to reflection from a smooth surface? Specular reflection. The student measured the angle of reflection for different angles of incidence in Table 2. Question 7.2. What conclusion can be made from the results in Table 2? The angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection mean. Question 7.3. What type of error caused the variation in the results for the angle of reflection? Suggest one cause of this error. Type of error? Well, the type of error will be random error. And cause of error? First, the student's eye or head might not be in the same position each time. Second, the mirror or the ray box may not have been replaced correctly. Third, the center of the ray may not have been marked correctly. The student also investigated the refraction of light. Question 7.4. Figure 18 shows the path of a ray of light through a glass block. Why has refraction not occurred? Well, the incident ray of light is along the normal line, or we can say all points on a wavefront enter the glass at the same time. Question 7.5. The student measured the angle of refraction for different angles of incidence. Figure 19 shows the protractor used. When the angle of incidence was 10 degrees, the student measured the angle of refraction 4 times. The student recorded the measurements as 6 degrees, 6.3 degrees, 6.4 degrees, 5.8 degrees. Explain why the student should not have recorded these results when using the protractor in figure 19 to make the measurements. The protractor's resolution is 1 degree, so could not be used to measure the difference between the results. Question 7.6. Figure 20 shows what happens to wave fronts as they pass across the boundary between air and glass. Explain in terms of the wave fronts why refraction happens at the boundary between air and glass. The different parts of the wavefront enters the glass at different times. The velocity of light is less in glass. And finally, one part of the wavefront changes speed before the other part.